Hey, I know you guys have seen Little Blue Truck before. This is Little Blue Truck Makes a Friend. Well, I don't know. It looks like he's got lots of friends. Who do you think his new friend will be? He already has friends like cow and goat and sheep and horse and pig, duck, goose. Wow, who could be his new friend? Look how quiet the country is. Well, let's see who his new friend's going to be. Little Blue Truck Makes a Friend. Horn went beep, engine purred, friendliest sounds you've ever heard. Little Blue Truck was on the road, taking a drive with good friend Toad. See the toad? Hen came running, cluck, cluck, cluck. I've got news. Stop, Little Blue Truck. Someone moved in down the road, someone different, Blue and Toad. Honk, said Goose. No feathers, I've heard. Quack, said Duck. He's a very strange bird. Nay, said Horse. Does he gallop around? Do his hooves make a clippity-cloppity sound? Moo, said Cow. What a cow would be doing is standing around just quietly chewing. Oink, sniffed Pig. You can see he can't be a pig if he's not like me. So far they say he doesn't look like anything like them. Can you be friends with someone who doesn't look like you? Yeah, you can. We're all different. Quack, said Duck. Can he swim? Does he float? Ma, how high can he jump? Said Goat. Sheep said, bah, is he short? Is he tall? I heard he has no wool at all. He's not like any one of us. Beep, said Blue. What's all the fuss? Somebody new? Let's go see. Beep, who wants to ride with me? They scrambled into Little Blue Truck with a moo and a quack and a cluck, cluck, cluck. Do you think they'll all fit? We're definitely gonna try. Ma, said Goat, and he jumped in too. Off they went with Toad and Blue. Into the meadow, through the grass, bees and butterflies watched them pass. Up a hill, and there they found a little round door in a grassy mound. Right there. That's the new neighbor. Woodchuck's house, said a sign on the door. They'd never seen a house like that before. This isn't a coop, like a chicken coop. You have a chicken coop. This isn't a coop or a barn or a pen. Cluck, he lives in a hole, said Hen. Looks cozy to me, said Little Blue Truck. Then the door swung open and out stepped Chuck. Run, honked Goose. Duck quacked, hide. Hen found a pail and jumped inside. Goat jumped over a pile of rocks. Pig crawled under some hollyhocks. I think they're all hiding because they're afraid he's different than them. Horse leapt over a low stone wall, which didn't hide much of Horse at all. A tree was all that Cow could find. A lot of cow stuck out behind. You can't hide very well behind a tree when you're as big as a cow. Wherever they hid, they peeked at Blue and waited to see what Chuck would do. Here's Chuck here. What's he doing? He's waving. Little Blue's beep was loud and clear. We are very glad you're here. Croak, said Toad, and beep, said Blue. Just stopped by to welcome you. Chuck thumped his feet on the grassy mound and whistled wee with a friendly sound. I was all alone and feeling shy. I sure am glad you stopped by. And are there other friends around? Croak, laughed Toad. Come on out. First came hen, then goat and cow. Let's make friends, Blue showed us how. Quack, said duck, and horse said, nay, we didn't need to run away. They gathered round and Chuck said, wee, more new friends to visit me. Beep, said Truck. Whoops, beep, said Blue, would you like a ride? We'll show you around the countryside. Do you think they'll all fit again? Even with Chuck? They scrambled into Little Blue Truck and they all made room for their new friend, Chuck. Beep, beep, beep. And there they go. They're going to show them all around the countryside. I think they'll be friends for a long, long time. Love you.